Optical illusions always make us look twice. Today, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to construct a geometric illusion in the style of Victor Vasarely. If you've ever wondered how art artists make a flat surface appear to move or expand, this tutorial is for you. Get ready to discover how one stroke at a time can bring this amazing illusion to life. Let's begin. We'll start by drawing a 32 by 32 grid. Draw a vertical line and a horizontal line in the center of the grid. This will give you the center for drawing a circle with a diameter of 20 cells, or a radius of 10. Now, draw a diagonal line from the top intersection of the vertical line with the circle to the intersection of the horizontal line with the circle. As shown in the images, you'll notice that this diagonal must pass exactly through the vertices of each cell. Now we can draw lines perpendicular to this diagonal corresponding to each of the cells, which will also pass exactly through their vertices. They are drawn here in red for clarity. Once this is done, we can draw vertical lines, drawn in blue, starting from the intersections of the red diagonals with the circle and crossing the lower horizontal line. The resulting marks indicate the distances at which we will draw the curves of the hemisphere we are constructing. Using a compass, we mark these distances on the 4 radii of the circle. With all these reference points marked, we will draw the curves on the 4 sides. This gives us the basis for drawing the cubes with which we will achieve the optical illusion of volume. To avoid mistakes and becoming completely confused, we will do this part systematically. We will draw the rhombuses horizontally, starting below the horizontal red line that divides the circle diametrically. The rhombuses are obtained by drawing the diagonals that connect the vertices of the grid, as shown here. Once you've finished this first row of rhombuses, continue with the row immediately below, being careful to alternate their positions, skipping one space each time. Continue until you reach the bottom edge. Then, restart drawing the remaining rhombuses, beginning from the midpoint of the horizontal line and working your way to the top edge, again being careful to alternate their positions. Now, connect the shapes by drawing the corresponding vertical lines. This will reveal the formation of the cubes that make up the sphere. Do this systematically, working across from one side to the other. You'll see that once you've completed the first row, in subsequent rows, you'll simply connect 2 rhombuses with a line. After this stage, choose 3 colors or shades. In this case, we have white, gray, and finally, a dark blue. Leaving the white of the paper as the base color, color one side with gray. Don't forget to repeat the process systematically, working from top to bottom, in rows from side to side, or diagonally downwards. Finish by applying the last color to one of the faces. The sense of volume can be enhanced with light shading around the sphere's contours, or with a subtle change in the colors or shades of the surrounding rhombuses. Changing the number of grid divisions, or the mesh orientation, can create other interesting effects, but the basic principle remains the same. If you enjoyed creating this illusion, hit that like button to let me know. I read every comment, so if you're stuck on a step or have an idea for our next project, drop it down below. And don't forget to subscribe. We're just scratching the surface of op art, and I don't want you to miss the mind-bending tutorials coming next.